6. I hope you are doing great. So today is 4th of May 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Fine class. So yesterday we studied about the concept of multiplication of fraction. Okay? Multiplication of fractions. Okay, so I have two fractions. The first is 1 by 2 multiplication sign and the other fraction which is 3 by 5. Isn't class? Okay. So who will tell me how we can solve multiplication of fractions? Very good. We will solve numerator part with the numerator and denominator part with denominator. So 1 multiplied by 3 is the numerator part and in denominator we will write 2 into 5. We have 3 by 10. 3 1 times 3 and 5 2 times 10. Okay? So this is how we can solve multiplication of fractions. अब इसको क्या हम और reduce कर सकते हैं? No, because 10 is not divisible by 3. So this is your answer. Okay? So class, today we have division involving fractions. Fine, division involving fractions. So question number 3 from exercise number 2D, page number 52 and question number 3. Evaluate each of the following. C part, 15 by 4, which is my first fraction, divided by 5 by 2, which is my second fraction. Okay? 15 by 4 is my first fraction, then we have a division sign and then we have 5 by 2. Fine class. So today we will learn how we can solve division of fractions. So just look here. We will write first fraction as it is. Fine. And whenever you have division sign involving fraction, we will change into multiplication sign. Okay, so because we can't solve division involving fractions exactly. Fine class, whenever we have a sign division, so we will simply change into multiplication. So when we will change into multiplication, the next fraction will become the reciprocal of that fraction. Fine? कैसे होगा? जब हम डिवीजन को मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चेंज करेंगे तो जो हमारे पास नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन है वो इस स्टेप में क्या हो जाएगा? इनवर्स. जो न्यूमरेटर है वो डिनोमिनेटर बन जाएगा एंड जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो क्या बन जाएगा? न्यूमरेटर. लाइक दिस. Fine? I will repeat it. I am going to repeat. 15 by 4 is my first fraction, then division sign, and then 5 by 2 is my next fraction. So class, you have to remember one thing: when we have a division sign involving fraction, we can't solve exactly. So firstly, we will change into multiplication. Okay? जब भी हमारे पास डिवीजन होगा हम उसको किस में चेंज करेंगे? मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. जैसे ही हम उसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चेंज करते हैं तो जो नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन है वो क्या इनवर्स उस फ्रैक्शन का, मींस न्यूमरेटर जो है वो डिनोमिनेटर बन जाता है और जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो क्या बन जाता है, डिनोमिनेटर क्या बन जाता है, न्यूमरेटर. फाइन. नाउ एज वी डिस्कस्ड yesterday multiplication of fractions, so who will tell me what is the criteria to solve multiplication of fractions? When we have two fractions and we have multiplication sign in between, so how we can solve it? Yes, Usman Babu. Very good. We will simply multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Fine. इस फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट क्या है क्लास, 4. And what is the part of this denominator part of this fraction, 5. So we will write 4 into 5 and 15 into 2. Fine. Now in next step we will solve it, which is 15 into 2. 2 times of 15. It is the rule of any operation that we will solve any operation from the right side, isn't? Okay. So 2 into 5 is 30. We have 30. We have 2-digit number. So we will write the number which is at unit place. Unit place पे क्या है? 0. And what is the value that is tens place? 3. So we will write 0 here and 3 as a carry. Fine. 2 1 times 2 and 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay class? 2 5 times 50, 2 5 times 10. Sorry, 2 5 times 10. We will write 0 here and 1 as a carry. 2 1 times 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 30 in the numerator, and we will, as we know, 4 into 5 is 20. Okay? As we know, we have 4 into 5 which is equals to 20. Isn't class? Okay. Now we will simple cut 0 by 0 and we get 3 by 2 in the end. Fine. Now we will solve it. 3 by 2. We will put 3 inside the division which represents numerator or dividend. So we will write always inside the division, and the value which is at denominator part we will always write outside the division, and which represents denominator or divisor. Fine. Now 2 1 times 2. Now what is the next step of division? Next step क्या होगा division का? Very good. We will subtract. We will subtract. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Now we will write into mixed number like this. We will shift 2 here, 1 there and 1 as a whole. 1 1 by 2. This is how we can write 3 by 2 into mixed number. Fine. Now I am going to repeat it. You have to be very carefully. You have to listen very carefully, class. I have 15 by 4. Then I have division sign, and then I have 5 by 2. So you have to keep one thing in remember one thing in your mind, which is we can't solve division of fractions. ठीक है, तो हम हमेशा क्या करते हैं, डिवीजन को मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चेंज करते हैं. द फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन विल बी रिटन एज इट इज, विच इज 15 by 4. अब डिवीजन को जब हम चेंज करेंगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, तो जो नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन होगा वो क्या हो जाएगा, उसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. मींस न्यूमरेटर बन जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर, और डिनोमिनेटर जो है वो क्या बन जाएगा, न्यूमरेटर. इजंट क्लास? ओके, नाउ एज वी लर्न यस्टरडे मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस, हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था ना, क्या करते हैं हम उसमें, व्हेन वी हैव टू fractions and we have a multiplication sign in between, what would we do? Very good, we will simply multiply numerator part with numerator and denominator part with denominator, isn't? Okay, now I will write 15 into 2 which represents in numerator and 4 into 5 which represents in denominator. Fine. In the end we get 30 by 20 from it. 30 by 20. Now the reduced form of 30 by 20 is 3 by 2. Fine class? The reduced form of 30 by 20 is 3 by 2. Now we will write into mixed number. As you look, we have 3 which represents numerator or dividend. So we will put 3 inside the division and 2 is outside the division, which represents as divisor. Fine. Now in the end we will write into the number that we get in the end, which is 1 by 2. So we can write this into mixed fraction. Fine class. So this is how we can solve division of fractions. आप लोगों ने एक बात याद रखनी है कि जब भी फ्रैक्शंस हमारे पास होंगे और उसमें इन्वॉल्वमेंट होगी डिवीजन की, सो इन फर्स्टली वी विल चेंज डिवीजन साइन इनटू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. जैसे ही हम डिवीजन को मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चेंज करते हैं तो जो हमारे पास फ्रैक्शन नेक्स्ट होता है वो क्या होता है, उसका रेसिप्रोकल बन जाता है. ठीक है, उसका क्या बन जाता है, रेसिप्रोकल. लाइक आई हैव 5 by 2. तो जैसे मैंने उसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चेंज किया, जो मेरे पास नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन था वो क्या हो जाएगा, उसका इनवर्स. लाइक 2 by 5. 5 by 2 था तो वो क्या बन गया, 2 by 5. फाइन क्लास. नाउ आई विल सॉल्व. आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व बी पार्ट. Then division sign, then 4 by 3. Okay, 4 by 3. So if you look class, we have two fractions, isn't? First is 1 7 by 9. So what type of fraction it is class? कौन सी fraction है ये? Very good. We have the first fraction is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction में क्या होता है? We have at least one whole number and we have one fraction. Fine. So firstly we will solve mixed fraction, which is क्या करते हैं हम इसमें mixed fraction को solve करने के लिए, जो denominator होता है उसको multiply करते हैं with whole number, which is 9. Now we will add numerator, which is in the fraction like 7 in this part. Fine. So 9 plus 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. We have 16. So we will write 16 in the numerator and denominator will be written as it is. Fine. Division and then 4 by 3 as it is. 16 by 9 as it is. We will change division into multiplication sign. As I told you class, we can't solve division of fractions exactly at a time. Okay, हम division को जो है वो solve नहीं कर सकते, so इसलिए हम उसको क्या करते हैं, उसको multiplication में change करते हैं. तो जब भी हम उसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चेंज करेंगे तो जो नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन होगा आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन विल बी रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दैट फ्रैक्शन. फाइन. वो क्या हो जाएगा, उसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा, मींस 3 and denominator part with denominator like this. We have 16 into 3 in the numerator part and 9 into 4 in denominator part. Fine class? Okay, so 16 into 3. 3 times of 16. It is the rule of enumeration that we will start from the right side, which is 3 into 6. 3 6 times is 18. We will write 8 here and 1 as a carry. 3 1 times 3 and 4. 48 in the numerator. Fine. And 9 into 4, that you know class, 36. 9 4 times 36. Isn't class? So as you look, we have 48 by 36. 48 जो है वो किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? न्यूमिनेटर को. और 36 किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? डिनोमिनेटर को. सो वी विल सिंपली डिवाइड हियर, which is 48 inside the division and 36 is outside the division. Fine. Now we will read the table of 36 to make the number which is nearest to 48. Fine. So 2 6 times is 12 and 1 as a carry. 2 3 times 6 and 1, 72. So 72 is greater than 48. Isn't class? 72 जो है वो 48 से greater है? Yes. So we will write only 1 times, that is 36. Like this. Fine. Now 8 minus 6, which is 2, and 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay class? So if you look, we have 12 in the end. So dividend is 12 and divisor is 36. So dividend is smaller than divisor. So we will stop here. Now we will write into mixed number, which is, we will shift 12 here, 1 as a whole and 36 as a denominator. So 36 in the denominator, 12 in the numerator and 1 as a whole. Fine. So class, should we write into reduced form? Okay. So as you know class, we should reduce into lowest form. 12 3 times 36. 3 2 times 6 and 3 1 times 3. So we will cut 12 1 times and 12 3 times 36. So we will write 1 1 by 3. This is the mixed number. Okay? कैसे हम इसको लिख सकते हैं मिक्स नंबर में? 1 1 by 3. Now I'm going to repeat the D part. You have to be listen very carefully. I have first part, which is 1 7 by 9, then division sign, and then we have 4 by 3, which is another fraction. Fine. So very first I will mix fraction into fraction, which I get in the end is 16 by 9. Fine. Then my division sign and then 4 by 3. As you know class, we can't solve division of fractions. हम जो है division fractions को की division को solve नहीं कर सकते हैं. So that's why we will change into multiplication sign. जब भी division sign involve होगा तो हम उसको multiplication में change करेंगे. So first fraction as it is, which is 16 by 9. Whenever we will change division into multiplication, the next fraction will become the reciprocal of the given fraction. ठीक है? तो जो next fraction है, जो कि second step में क्या था, 4 by 3. तो जब division को हम multiplication में change हमने किया, तो वो उसका क्या बन गया? Reciprocal. Numerator denominator और denominator numerator. In next step we will write 16 into 3. As we studied मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस, उसमें हम क्या करते हैं? न्यूमिनेटर को सिंपल न्यूमिनेटर के साथ और डिनोमिनेटर को सिंपल डिनोमिनेटर के साथ. इन दी एंड वी हैव 48 by 36. फाइन. So in the last step we will write into its mixed number, which is 112 by 36. If you look, we should reduce into lowest term, so we will cut 12 by 36 and write into lowest form, which is 1 by 3. Fine. So class, this is all which is related to division of fractions. If you find any difficulty related to this, you can ask me. You have to solve question number 3 from exercise number 2D, page number 52, C and D part in your notebook. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.